I'm going to do a review of my new Enya Nova U Mini ukulele today. So I'd recently done a review of the Enya Nova U, the Pro tenor, that gorgeous purple uke that I've got. And while I was researching that, I came across this little beauty. Now, I've been aware of the Soprano, or rather the mini version of this, since it was released. But this is actually the updated version of it. Why do I say it's updated? Well, this is actually exactly the same colour as my concert Enya Nova U. This sort of, it's sold as black, but I describe it as a gunmetal grey, and it also has a different case with it. It was a fantastic price when I bought it, $47.99 on Amazon. I think it normally retails from Enya direct. It's $59.99. It's normally £59.99 on Amazon, certainly in the UK, but it was one of those flash deals, and for under 50 quid, I really couldn't resist. Don't forget though, apart from Amazon and Enya, most ukulele shops also stock Enya. So it arrived a week or so ago. I did do a very quick unboxing. I won't bore you with all the details, but there is something about Enya instruments. When they come in that gorgeous box with all the sort of gadgets. And in fact, I'll mention it in a moment, but this one came as a set as well. But it's just something really exciting about opening an Enya ukulele. So what do you get for your money? On Amazon, $47.99 I paid for it. It goes up and down. So, you know, if you're after a bargain, you need to keep an eye on it. It comes as a kit. Obviously, you get the ukulele itself. You get a case. You get a capo. You get a spare set of Enya strings. You also get a strap that matches it. And, of course, little booklets with all the information in. The case, it is different to the other cases that I've got by Enya, and also by the original mini uke cases. This one isn't one of those sort of pod type ones. It's just a little padded gig bag. Nothing wrong with it. It's got a shoulder strap on it. It's got a handle at the side and a little accessory pack. But that was another reason why I thought, hang on, that's an updated version of this. So Nova U Mini or Soprano. On the website it says 21-inch size, which is a general Soprano size. This one actually measures 22 centimetres. Only a fraction bigger, but I thought I'd better mention it. It's carbon fibre stroke polycarbonate. It's a composite of different plastics. But like the others, like the tenor and the concert version, it is such a stunner to look at and to feel. Honestly, it's just a tactile feeling instrument. It's really gorgeous with this satin finish. Not only is it a soprano, it's actually a travel ukulele with this really, really thin body, 1 3/4 inches, I believe. So extremely small and extremely light. It's got 17 frets on it. It's a 35mm nut, so quite diddy, and a scale of 35 centimetres from the nut down to the saddle. A big difference with this one though, it doesn't have a sound hole. Okay, on the tenor and the concert versions, there's a sound hole there. Other things that I really should mention, it's got that lovely feather sound hole in the front, which of course is one of the Enya logos. It comes with 2 strap buttons, one at the bottom and one on the side in the gold, which you don't actually often find on many sopranos, but I've got to say straight away I was really comfortable playing this one with a strap. So to match the strap buttons, there are gold classic open gear tuners, and of course the gold Enya logo at the top of the headstock. Other little features we've got on the front of the fingerboard, same design as the other Nova U's, the sort of star effect as markers, and it does have side markers, which is always a really nice feature. So like the larger family members, again, it's stunning to look at, but the feel of it, the design of it is so nice. Little things like the little cutout, but they're very rounded corners, but the satin finish, honestly, and I haven't put this down since I've had it. Honestly, okay? I took it into school, which I don't often do with new ukes. I've taken it out and about, and if you have noticed, I got a bit of a bad back. You're going to have to watch the rest of the video to find out why. But yeah, I've had it in the car. But yeah, everybody in school loved it. The kids absolutely adored it, as you can imagine. But just the fact it is so small, so light, and so gorgeous to look at. So I've done the specs and the features. This is how much I actually love this. It's straight away I had to go out and buy a new strap for it. It came with a black one, but it was a 1.5 inch strap, which I just felt was a little bit too big for this little diddy thing. So I've treated it to cord for straps, straps for cords, eBay. Anyway, absolutely fantastic straps for ukuleles. I will pop a link to their eBay shop below. But this one, look at that. It is a star at the end of the day, so deserves a star strap. As I will be using this outdoors, I'm very glad that there are strap buttons on it because I will be using the strap on it. So let's hear it. I think for the size of the instrument, and considering there's no sound port or hole at the top on the side here, it makes a fantastically loud sound. Whether that's a combination of the materials, of the design of it, I don't know. But honestly, it really did shock me how loud this little thing really is. I'm not actually a soprano player normally. I really don't play soprano very often, but there's just something about this little one. I think this is great for a child or an adult. I haven't actually dropped one of these things yet, so I'm not sure if the paint would chip off, but the fact it's a sort of carbon fibre, polycarbonate composite certainly is going to make it a lot better than dropping a wooden instrument on the floor. And of course, these are brilliant for hot, cold, and even wet weather. So before you find out how I hurt my back whilst filming this, I had this in the car for a few days because I was taking it back and forth to school, and this happened. So hubby has just nipped into Tesco for a bit of shopping. I've got this in the car. Haha! I'll never get bored in the car again. I think this is going to have to stay in here. So, hubby's favourite shop, Home Bargains. He could well be a while. I don't care. Oops. Yeah, I think he's coming back. I better leave it there. So yeah, now I have to seriously contemplate where I'm going to keep this. Do I keep it in the house or do I keep it in the car? So I never really got the chance to test the tenor. I was hoping for some extreme weather and taking it out in the snow. Didn't happen this winter. I did, of course, test the concert when I had it. I took it outdoors to see what it was like. I got it wet. I actually used that spinning chair to see what it was like as an action ukulele. So I've had a little bit of fun with this. This time it was raining and lots of you seem to enjoy the spinning chair. So yeah, this is how I've hurt my back. Oh, that was really hard work. I'm knackered now. So yes, it was actually raining out there then. Obviously the ukulele itself is fine if it gets wet. Just be aware though, make sure you dry off any of the metal bits like the tuning pegs or the strap buttons before you put your lovely little ukulele away. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed that. I did enjoy doing it. It was great fun to do, but oh my goodness me, I'm paying the price the day later. It was really hard work on that chair, can I just say right now. So yes, the Nova U Mini. What an awesome little instrument. I absolutely love it, far more than I thought I was going to, if I'm brutally honest. I love playing it, the tactile feel of it. It's stunning to look at, like the other ones. It's surprisingly loud for the size, and I really do think at less than 50 quid that I managed to get it for, it is fantastic value. So yes, ticks the box, definitely an action ukulele as well. So it's a bit hit and miss whether it's in stock in the actual ukulele shops. There are different colours available. When I got this, it only was in the black. But wow, I love this colour anyway. And I've got to say again, I love this a lot more than I thought I was going to. It's a brilliant little ukulele. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Oh, I know, old age doesn't come alone. I do hope you enjoyed that bit of it. I really enjoyed making it. It was really hard work on that spinning chair though. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.